Good morning, traders. Welcome to Blue Sky's live day trading stream. I'm Coach Riz. I'll be hanging with you and hosting you all throughout the trading day. Want to go ahead and start off by letting you know that all information within this stream is for educational purposes only. Any information here is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. If you do choose to make any investments into the market, please be aware that you can and most likely will lose money. So please be sure to use money that you are willing to use and do your due diligence when investing, and take your own trades, traders. Trade for yourself. Don't follow someone else's trades. All right, gang, that's it for that intro. Let's go ahead and get our morning levels up on gold. We got about a minute until the market open. We got a breakout level on gold at 4,167 with a first take profit of 4,183. Sell the reversal at 4,153 with a buy the reversal spot at 4,126. Breakdown spot of 4,112 with a take profit spot of 4,096. For ES, we've got a breakout level of 6,846. First take profit is 6,884. Sell the reversal at 6,814 with a buy the reversal at 6,749. Got a breakdown spot of 6,716 with a take profit of 6,678. And Q levels for the morning is a breakout spot of 25,378. First take profit at 25,550. Sell the reversal at 25,231. Buy the reversal at 24,938. A breakdown spot of 24,792, and your first take profit spot of 24,620. If you guys are interested in finding those levels, stop in the Discord, because that's where all the awesomeness happens. We've got live trading classes. We've got some great specials on top of that. Don't forget, we've got, let's see, today is Wednesday. We won't have any trading classes the rest of the week, but yes, I just sent it a few ago. Do I need? So I've got a marketing team asking me some questions, so I'm kind of going through those. Sorry, guys. I'm just responding to Macron. Here's that one. Oh, man, I didn't get that one. Shoot. Okay. Where is that? Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, I got it now. Yes. Let's see. I'll just have to add it after. We don't want the big guy. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Affluent, nice, bro. Nice. That is awesome. That's fantastic. Oh, let's see here. Let's get Webull open. Looking at some options. Did not need that. Didn't even click that button for that. Nice push up in the morning. Let's see if we get a little bit of a base here on a 4-hour support. Yesterday, we just had that rocket ship and the market just would not stop. It was insane. Yeah. No, it looks like no one in Discord ever mentioned that they could not hear me. But hopefully you guys can hear me because I've been speaking the whole time through. All right, guys, let's see here. The 1 minute bouncing off a VWAP and the 200. What are we gonna do? Will we dip much lower? Oh, y'all can't hear me? Okay. All right then. Thanks, guys. They can't hear me. They're in Discord. Yeah, sometimes I have to like go off the stage and then bring myself on the stage. It is funny. All right, there we go. Can you guys hear me now? Hey, team. Good morning, everyone. Can y'all hear me now? All right, perfect. There we are. Awesome. Yeah, thank you guys. Hey guys in Discord, you guys, the morning crew, if you guys see me pop in and in like 2 minutes of me joining, if y'all don't ever hear me say anything, please let me know. Because when I join the Discord, I am actually like usually, if I join the Discord channel and I start the room, it usually means I'm ready to rock and roll. So I've already done my prep. So when I get in the Discord, I'm ready to go with you guys. So yeah, just let me know in the morning. So that way, yeah, because I hate asking because I'm on stream and I hate just asking anybody and then I got to type it. But let me know because yeah, that way I'll just, I'll jump out and get in. If I'm not responding, it usually means I'm already rocking and rolling. RQ, you're always rocking and rolling, brother. You're keeping it down with the support team. All right, don't forget, guys, you guys can catch us on X, YouTube, Facebook, Apple TV, and soon coming to a radio live. That's right. All right, let's see. Somebody mentioned precious metals just a few ago. Gold had a nice move, already took out my target for the day, setting us up for a nice upside move if it can keep it. We do have gold and silver contracts that have 0 DTEs today. So do expect some volatility on those tickers there. We got a pretty significant gap. We have an opening gap on gold, as a matter of fact. If you guys haven't seen it already, I'm sure you all have, but there is a pretty substantial gap right at, let's see, 4,175 on gold. So yeah, no, it could be the trade. It could be the trade, just saying. You never know. We shall see though. We'll see how the morning goes on that. Interesting enough, the one out the money puts on gold, on silver, 7 cents right now. That's if it decides to make that sell and dip into that low. I picked up a couple of them. Not bad. We'll see how those rock and roll for me, for Coach over here. So far, I'm up 32% on those puts. Yee! But I am waiting for the 15-minute opening candle. That's right, team. If you guys are new with me in the morning session, I wait for the first 15-minute candle to print, and I shoot for that first trade of the morning. So let's keep an eye on it and see. Let's see how this plays out here in the morning session. He's we got Chicago PMI. So that's coming up here in just a second. Why? There it is. Good to be back with you guys today. Haven't been able to trade much since the government reopened and I went back to work. Hey, that's right. That's right, Affluent. I'm so glad to hear you're back at work, brother. Just in time for the holidays, right? Man, terrible. I get off from December to no. Man, you got a month off. Okay, so you're gonna go to work for like three weeks to take off on vacay, huh? Nice. Hey, that's even better, brother. That's even better. Hey, good for you. It's not, hey, you guys deserve it. You guys are putting in the time. In 20 seconds, we've got PMI. Expecting a slight decline. Some people saying that we might get new home sales. Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa. 36.3. 36.3. Forecast was 43.6, and previous was 43.8. Wow. Wow, market is just ripping on that news. Got oil inventories coming up at 10:30 as well. Well, I got those at 6. Okay, good. You paid 7 cents for them. NASDAQ got that bid, just like I said it would. I was like, man, it's going to get that bid. Looks like okay, so we've got our orbs set up for the morning session here on NASDAQ. So if you're new again, like I mentioned earlier, we trade an orb trade system in the morning. So it's an opening range break. You basically want to have your times on your chart set up to the 15-minute. You look for the top and bottom wick of the first 15 minute, and you just mark it off. And you look for a break on either side of that orb, and it's just that simple. And then you could even play it through the intraday. There's plenty of times that we bounce in and out, use it as support, or even sometimes we just range within the orb. So it's a neat little trade system we like to implement here on a daily. All right, let's see what we got on the hot sheets this morning. Let's see, we've got Amber International Holdings up 65.82% of the day, sitting at 263. SPRC is sitting at 314. It's up 28% for the morning session. NVDA up $182 at, sitting at 182.38, up 2.54%. AEHL at 369, up 15% for the morning, and MNDR 263, up 38.42% here in the morning session. So definitely we got some runners. We got some stocks with some legs. Let's see what the morning session's gonna do for us. We're gonna make some money. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy on Amber. I'm actually looking at it right now. And he's still rejecting the orb high. Hasn't quite made its move yet. Hasn't decided what it's going to do. Oh, nice. Congrats, MJ. Congrats to you on that. Holy moly, look at the market just ripping. It looks like we're just going to have another ripper of a day. Man, we're going to smoke the bears today. A little bit of rejection there at that orb high. Okay. Fed's bid for 4-week bill auction total 130, 310 million. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a nasty rejection. That was a heck of a lot of selling volume right there. Was it? Is that what they did? Bears let the move on the yes. Yes was significantly stronger than Nasdaq yesterday. We saw that with the Russell and with the Dow yesterday. They were just cooking. I messed up because I got stopped down on my QQQs. I should have picked up IWN. It would have given me so much more.
Secure your presence on Kick with the Skull Kick bot. 100% undetectable multi-account messaging backed by a one-time payment and lifetime guarantee for all updates and support. For informations and purchase, contact on Discord.
That's interesting. No, I'm shorting precious metals already. So let's see. ES rejecting. Let's get the orb set up for ES because we didn't do it for ES. We only did it for NASDAQ. And you know what? ES is not feeling the love here in the morning session. It's like the market might just go to sleep itself just along with the blue guy this morning. Hey, but don't sleep on those sales. That's right, guys. We've got launch plans on sale for 50% off. You can pick up a 50K account today for $29.50. That's right, $29. Are you out of your mind? That's right. Mike gave us the sale of the year right there. I ain't never seen a Blue Sky account that cheap. So today, you know what? You got till Friday to take advantage of that sale, and you will want to, because nobody beats Blue Sky. Nobody beats us. Yeah, I was hearing some of the trade rules for another firm that just, man, you know what? I snatched one myself, man. I snatched one myself. I'm going to be trading that one. Yup. So support is going to have me opening up disgruntled tickets going forward now. Yup. RQ is going to see me in the chat bitching and moaning every single day. I want to reset. Roll back that trade. You're going to get banned. Bro. There ain't no banning me, bro. There's no banning me. I'm the admin here, bro. I'm the captain. It's true. Don't make me bust out my title. No, look at me. I'm the captain now. You don't even know it, bro. I'm the admin. Stream admin, top G, that's me, man. I'm gonna be here smoking hookah, making trades, and there comes Tip is shorting America. Shorting America. Now I'm shorting gold. I'm so short on gold right now. It's redunculous. So I'm hoping it does because gold will sell too. Got short at 25,250. Hey, there you go. Tip is giving out financial, non-financial advice. Just saying. Yeah, RQ. Don't make me bust open my my managerial hat. Because I don't want to time you out, bro. I don't want to time you out. I like you. I do like you. But I'm not afraid to bust out that band hammer. See, I'm above you. I'm gonna bust out the band hammer. We got internal drama. There we go. It's like it would be perfect. It would be like Scrubs but trades. I love SpongeBob. My kids, yeah, all the kids have gotten me to watch SpongeBob, and I enjoy SpongeBob. Look at this dump. Look at this. Look at it, will you? Just look at it. Oh, we're testing the orb low now. Oh, there's the Dumperooski. Hola mole. Are they gonna sell it all and just give up the whole move? There goes. Come on, just do it, gold. I should get into some IWN puts. I bet you IWN is gonna just rinse. Let's see. Where's IWN? And don't forget, gang, those of you that like my morning show, tomorrow is Wahoo Day. That's right. It's Get Crazy with the Turkey Day tomorrow. So we will be off here at Blue Sky, but I will be back Friday morning with you guys. I will be hosting a Black Friday morning stream. So if you guys want that rocket fuel and you want to go full degen on Friday and take advantage of Coach Matt's data giving, well, jump on in, because it's gonna be a smorgasbord of trading this Friday. Getting my turkey stuff. Wow. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Tips. Hilarious. Why are you paying someone to stuff your turkey? You're not stuffing it yourself. I got to do that today. The turkey is in the fridge. It's ready to rock and roll. Man, these puts are up 65%. Hex yes. Hex yes. And there's your blush. There's your blush. All right, let's go take a look at silver here in the morning session. Tip is short. Who's short this? We got that orb break. Oh, we got a long way to go, baby. We got a long way to go. That's a good song. I wish I could play it on stream, but I don't want to get monetized. I don't want to get monetized. Because they'll do that, man. They'll ding you on that. Oh, there's a sell signal on the 15-minute. Sure. That is an engulfing sell candle there, if I've seen one. Now, will they reverse the reverse of the engulfed candle? That's the real question. See what I did there? Like word chop suey here. Oh man, I should have taken a short off of that rejection off the orb high. That would have been beautiful. Now what are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do? Oh, look at Tipped over there. Look at Tipped. 1.5K.
Money, money, money, money, money, money.
Congrats, bro. Congrats on that. All right, little scalp off the bounce. Okay. Okay, what are we gonna do now? Testing the orb. Closed it. Careful if you're trading with tick. They aren't paying the bills, so they will definitely stop paying the traders. We are aware that you indicating that your trade account has been migrated to project due to operation constraints. Oh, wow. Uh-oh, Tipped is getting flagged, man. Uh-oh. Man, we're gonna have to time out. You better watch it, Tip. It sounds like RQ is threatening you, bro. That sounds like a knife fight right there. I wouldn't take that from him. I don't trade with them either. Protection. Tipped is cool. We are bear. Man, take your friend with you. Take your friend with you. Oh, that's a great movie. I like. I love that movie. It's hilarious, Anchorman. Santiago. Looks like NQ is forming a little bit of a bear flag here. We're under the orb low. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. Okay, we got silver set up. Holding the 9 right now on silver. Probably the same thing with gold. Let's go take a look at gold for you guys. Nah, I think this is gonna go. It's gotta go. I mean, it doesn't have much. I think the gap is almost filled on it. On gold, right? Look at that. Gold almost actually did fill the gap. It has a few more points to get to, though. 4,166 is where it needs to get to. The 5, it still looks green, but the morning is young. What does that sell on gold? Now they're making that candle red. Let's go. Sell it. Sell. I would bring a trident to a knife fight. I would too. I don't know if I could, picture a bear with a trident though. I think that's the one that kind of gets me. The bear with the trident. I'm just saying. IWM puts were kind of expensive, no lie. Let's see what Bitcoin is at. Let's go check out Scam Coin. Look at that. It has not made any real move. Man, this is disgusting. Look at that. You got the sell. You got a little bit of a push. I mean, it looks like it broke Tuesday's high, retested it, and then just got rejected. It didn't even make a wholehearted effort on that. What kind of baloney is that? I should tell you guys. Oh, now gold is catching a bid. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're not going nowhere. No, they're trying to buy it. It looks like they're trying to buy gold. Whoa. That was a massive move on the market right there to the upside. Jeez Louise. Tell me how you feel. Ton of call volume on the market right now. Really interesting. least on IWN. Let's go take a look at the spine. Let's see what the options chain is looking like. You know, market leaning a little bit more towards the upside, truth be told. Kind of interesting. Volume is super low here on gold this morning. Actually, kind of surprising. Well, it looks like we might get the reversal of the reversal here in the market if it is able to push up. We might have a bearish engulfing that gets engulfed by a bullish engulfing. Sounds like chips or AMD is specifically struggling here in the morning session. Let's open up a heat map. How about that? Let's take a look at the market, see what's crack-a-lacking. All right, fairly green across the board. Looks like Google struggling a little. Tesla, Eli Lilly, Meta. You know, I mean, it's not a bad start to the morning. Renko show that there should be upside. And it looks like gold is starting to rep to the upside. Not looking good for my silver. But it's early in the day. I'm not really worried. Not really worried. We've already taken out my high side target, so don't know how much more she's got in the tank than that.
Sıcaklık ve nemden etkilenen Antalyalılar hafta sonunda serinliği orman içlerinde ya da deniz kenarında aradı.
Aniden sıcak bastı. İster istemez halk evde duramıyor çünkü Meltem de esse, kuzeyden de esse muhakkak çok sıcak.
Nvidia or Inky kind of rejecting, not looking as strong as what I would like to see it for upside. Yeah, looking pretty not too bueno. Little gift cards. I do not want to see that. Where's my phone in Orsi? Oh, there you go. Insane. It looks like gold is just repping to the upside while the market is selling. Or, the market isn't really selling, more like consolidating. It's trying to decide what it wants to do. What I would say. Still early. Got a whole lot of day trading left. So, this is just the start of the morning. NQ is starting to test that orb low now. Not looking too good for upside though, team. Not looking good for upside. Candle structure does not look like it. This is look on the phone. Oh yeah, this is good on the phone. Look at that. You know what? I actually have our full stream up and running now on TikTok, full screen with OBS. I'm so happy about that. Awesome. Wow, looks like gold is gonna wreck. Testing that prior high here on gold, pretty close to it. Yeah, it does look like the shorts are starting to pile up on gold and silver. See the option exchange starting to load up. It's starting to tilt to the short side. Although gold has a little bit more buyers and sellers on it. SPY longs are, yeah, same for the SPY. There is more bullish pressure on the market. Two out the money are 242,000 in volume. Two out the money on a put is about 98,000 in volume. So it looks like more buyers interested right now. People trying to buy it long, that's for sure. Question is it, can they take it, or are they gonna get stopped out? Oh man, look at gold just go. Yeesh. Bay fodder, bear fodder, huh? More like we're having a bear meat smorgasbord here at Blue Sky Team. But the blue guy is single-handedly holding up the market this AM, guys. Back in the orb here on NQ. Could range the morning, you know, could range the morning. You know, if you didn't get that volatility out the open, you know, you got, you know, 17 points to the upside, and then you got a nice 20-point drop on it. So, I mean, the holiday weekend, not a lot of volume or volatility in the market, you know. Beyond Meat is up 18% for the morning session. Sitting at $1 right now. Keeping an eye on it right now. Want to see what it's going to do. So there you go, Tip. Beef is not on the menu. Synthetic beef is. That's right. Get your synthetic beef on. Looks like gold is repping. Looks like the, oh my God. Take a look at gold, see what gold is doing right now. Not a lot of volume. Not a lot of volume. Let's go over to GLD. There'll be more volume on the options shares or the regular shares. You can see the volume there, 48,000. We're at that resistance spot right now. So let's see what we do here. Can gold get over this mark? Live cattle futures is up. That's right. Where's the beef, Nacho? Where's the beef? Not at beyond. Call it beyond the tip. That's every day, bro. That's every day. Welcome to the Hurt Locker. All right, let's take a look at the market. Market looks like it wants to push. Right in the middle of the orb. Woo. Man, I guess that was it. It looks like it. It looks like stocks are about to break out. It looks like gold's about to break out too. Still hitting that resistance level. Can't get over it, but it looks like NQ is going to go for that orb high. We're at London Power Hour, team, so don't forget that. Nasdaq faltering. Gold's still rejecting that level. Doesn't look like it wants to go. Big Bear AI is down 1.62% for the morning session. Let's refresh our market watch shot sheets and see if there's any change. Amber still sitting at 270, Nvidia, SPRC, same names that we've had on since the morning session. So far holding true. Holding with those names. I went ahead and scooped up some Beyond calls. I picked up some dollar calls on Beyond. They were sitting at like 8 cents. I'm up like 14% on them right now. Making up for my gold short. Gold short I'm down a little bit on, but I'm trying to see if I can DCA pick up those puts for 4 cents. Tesla's starting to rip to the upside. Let's go over here, take a look at TSLA. Oh yeah, nice. Over VWAP, over the EMAs, definitely. Look at TSLL, see what calls are at. $18 calls or 33 cents right now. You're in 450 calls. Nice. Good luck. Get it. Get it, my friend. Get it. Take a look at Beyond. See what Beyond is doing. All right, just reloaded those gold contracts. Oh man, I've made a lot of money on Tesla, and I've lost a metric ton of money on Tesla. So I've gotten burned on both sides of that trade. Yeah. But you know, you want volatility. You know, that's what we're here for. Bitcoin is making another one of those weak, half-hearted attempts at trying to run up here in the morning session. I definitely don't like trading Bitcoin. You know, I used to, and now that I've sat here more with futures, I don't like trading Bitcoin. The movement on it is terrible. You know, for the volume, look, there's 1.31 million order volume on Bitcoin right now, and it does not move like that. It does not move like that at all. It is disgusting. All right, there's that rejection now. Take a look at gold and see what gold is doing. Dang, okay. Can get silver up. I can't believe silver wouldn't even go down to fill that gap. I can't believe it got there and then it just bounced, like in the middle of nothingness. Is that like the orb? It's got to be the orb, right? It broke to the upside on the orb. MSOX is up 5.48% on the day. So we're breaking the top of the orb right now on silver. That's what it is. We're testing the top of that. Let's go take a look at ES. ES starting to make its move. Here comes Nacho's greatest loss story. Did you hear about the guy who bought the high on Beyond Meat? Oh, that must be me. That must be me. Hey, you know what? Somebody's gonna give money to the market. Man, I am 0 for 2 in the morning session then, man. Dang. Wow. Nice. Awesome. Smoked my PA last night. I got stopped out. I took such nasty losses in the morning session with my whole issues with my connectivity. I had like $200, $300 left to blow it. And I got chopped up in the overnight, so I ended up blowing the account. I couldn't get paid out of it anyway, so it makes absolutely no difference. Doesn't matter to me. I put more money into my Trade Evade account, so I put more money into my live account because I'm gonna trade live accounts. I'm not gonna trade props. Oh man, okay. You have to return that turkey. Well, dang, that Beyond Call ain't working, that's for sure. I just didn't like the 10-cent puts or the dollar puts. I mean, they weren't worth anything. They weren't gonna move. I keep rejecting the orb high for now. Getting that rejection here. Rejecting. Let's go for a short. Put it at the orb high. The tip is here, so that means the bears are out. My bear Crocs are in the other room. I will put those babies on for you all. I got no problem doing that. Man, I guess that Beyond Meat was just beyond expectations. What a shame. What a shame. Yeah, well, I mean, we're still rejecting the order pie, so let's see if we can get a break below it. I'm about to get stopped out again. Golly tipped. I took that short off your financial advice and I just got stopped out, bro. Oh, I could have told you that. I mean, we've known that. I did that in my hot take. I was like, technically, I don't even want to trade today. You were in a long? Dude, you told us short, man. I went short because of you, bro. And there goes the short. Talking, man. I tell you. You say we're gonna go pump a meme coin? Let's go pump Djibouti. That is the ultimate meme coin. It's either It's either you want Djibouti or you want, oh, what was the other one? Oh man. It's just on the tip of my tongue. Ah, darn it. What was the other coin? Farcoin. We'll just say Farcoin. Somebody mentioned it the other day. It goes gold repping to the upside. Damn. There you go. Rismus. There you go. Bro, do you know they will not let me take my coin out of the exchange? Like I tried to. So since you brought it up, I have like 11 million Rismus coins from last year. And now they won't let me even move them. They're like, oh yeah, no, you can't. No, you can't. You can't move that coin. I was like, they're like, oh, well, we did listed it. And I was like, okay, that's great that you did listed it. You know, good for you. I was like, but I want to move my coin because I can move it to Pump Fun or, you know, some of the other DeFi exchanges. Oh my, what just cramped up on? Oh. And yeah, they said no. They said no. They said, we're sorry. We're sorry, sucker. We're going to hold your coins. We're going to hold your 11 million coins hostage. And you're SOL. That's what they told me. And they gave me like the same canned response, like, I don't even know how many times. You know, just flat out lies. Just flat out lies that they're gonna scam me, you know? You see the potential? Because the capital of Djibouti is Djibouti. See, that is the way. Well, I think I gotta get out of my silver. I gotta get out of all this. Silver for sure, because I'm getting toasted on here, which I don't even know how. You know, well, the call side is higher. What a shame. Bouncing off the EMAs right now. I look like gold's not even gonna stop. Looks like it's just gonna keep ripping. Broke the overnight high. We'll see. It's still early. It's still early in the day. And the volume is just, I mean, 7 orders. I mean, that's literally what it is. There's 7 orders on the chain. How crazy is that? Yeah, that's ridiculous. The puts, the dollar puts on Beyond, they didn't even move. They stayed literally at 10 cents. And now they're technically in the money, or I don't know. Yeah, they're in the money because the strike is at 94 cents and they're not even any more valuable. I'm taking a long on McDonald's. Man, I wouldn't mind some breakfast. That would be nice. I'm only in my first cup of rocket fuel. Man, Forget it. I'm getting out of this. This is a joke. There's no sense in even staying in that thing. That will bring me down. Oh man, Beyond is just toileting, man. Those puts are they went up a penny per contract. Oh my god, I'm losing my hide on this stupid trade. Shouldn't have traded a meme stock. Looks like ES is starting to catch its bid now. Oh man, come on, dude. Pick this stupid thing up. And even bring my cost average down. Jeez. Trying to DCA into those dollar calls on Beyond so I can get them at like 4 cents. Maybe I can get back to even.
a cherry tree pie. Isn't it funny, of all the wonderful things Washington did?
Oh. Long in McDonald's probably doesn't sound bad at all, brother. I'm out of this. I'm out of this stupid thing. Yeah, I'm out of this. The heck with that. Worthless. Dead to me. Ah. Looking like another red day for me. Dang it. Hey, but you know what? No platform issues today, so I'm only losing money on my own. But then again, I'm being real like risk on, man. I'm risking it for the biscuit today, man. I have to make $1,000 by Friday. I have no choice. Oh yeah, we doing it. I know what I want to do. Ugh. I gave up on all that already. Man, it's a massive candle on NQ. Socks puts are sitting at 2 cents and they're 18 cents out the money. So the market's gonna rip. Might be a good play right there. Hey, Coach Becky, welcome to the stage. Let's see. Oh, you're up already. Good to see you. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Nice to be here.
All right, NQ is at the order pie. What is it going to do here?
It's bouncy today.
Can it break out? ES is already broken out of the orb high. That tip was right on that. It was right on the money. Passing a reversal spot here on QQQ. Same for NQ. If you guys were looking at my morning levels, we've broken past our seller reversal spot. So if you're trading NQ, you could have a target of 25,378 to the upside if she's going to be strong enough for that.
Makes sense. They all look strong right now. The hourly that just closed was strong.
Hey, Tiff. How you doing? It's been a minute. How y'all doing? It's supposed to be Green Wednesday. Hey, we got time in the day. All we got is time. Yes to 6,850.
There's going to be some resistance on ES at 31.
Let's take a gander and look at my other chart and see where we're at. Well, my breakout spot is 6,846. So as long as we keep this trajectory, then yeah. Really? Today is the biggest day that there are cannabis sales. I saw MSOX was up.
People want to relax on the holiday. Chill. Go tip strong work.
California sober baby. RQ says, well, yeah, if you want to get blown and eat forever, might as well. Hey, man, you know, green is good. I don't have any sound bites for weed. I'm in California, have no issues with it, but I don't partake. Right on. I would rather smoke than drink, that's for sure. I don't want a hangover. I hate a hangover from drinking. And and now I don't drink very much, so when I drink, I just get sleepy. I'm like, oh man, I'm done. I'm done, son. Like, yeah. Yes is making a nice move up. Look at that, yes. Let's go. And Q broke the orb high. Next area of resistance on the 4 hour would be at 25,354. Anybody take that break on the orb high? Hey, Coach Becky, I can't hear you on the stage.
I know. Have you been hearing me at all?
You sound super. Oh, you know what? I have the volume turned down in Discord. I'm so sorry.
Well, can anyone else hear me? Because I'm
I can hear you
talking to
now.
myself.
Yes, I can
Okay,
hear you
perfect.
now. I am so sorry. I didn't realize I had
It could have been me.
Discord turned down.
Meh. Yeah, I'm the Becky who does the psychology lab on Tuesdays, Tiff. Yep. Hey, how's it going?
It's going.
I'm gonna be
Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day.
right, and it's an extra Friday this week. I feel like these holiday weeks are weird.
Yeah, they are.
Tiff, you should come to the psychology lab. It's good. It's good. I enjoy it. I'm so curious on ES right now. How high she's gonna go. Nacho sounds
You're
like
right,
you're
Nacho.
wrong.
Right on, Nacho. I don't know what you got to do. If you gotta walk outside the house and start yelling at people to buy ES or the SMP, do it. Tell the gas station clerk. Tell the checkout person at your Piggly Wiggly. Tell them buy.
Right, chant it to the skies. Blowing up, right. A little gentle nudge.
I'm long without you on NQ. I know. You know what? You're not without me. I'm with you because you know what? I'm long QQQ right now. So I'm with you. We're riding. Want those breakout levels from this morning. That's what I want. I want us to hit. I want ES and NQ to hit their breakout levels.
Nice. Go.
I'm trading like a psycho.
Throwing it all in there. Go long.
It's all good. Money I'm willing to lose. So and we got to go big. We got to go big today.
Tiff, it's always better. You're focusing on your trade and your typing is suffering. Because the opposite, not as great. Yes,
Yep.
exactly. That's like the goal when you're trading always. It's like to lock into the charts, dial down the rest. Still hang out with us because we're cool, but watch those trades.
Sleep. I blame RQ. That's all you need, Tiff. Just blame RQ. It was RQ's fault. I did that the other day in one of our chats. He's all like, "Hey, what is it? Attack RQ Day?" And I was like, "We could make it that." I even made a meme about it. I made this funny meme for it. Yeah. We're like in a support group, and yeah, we're all blaming RQ.
However, we got to cope, right? We got to get through these days.
Exactly.
I feel like he's supportive. He's a team player. Take one for the team. With love, though. With love.
Of course.
Yeah, this would be the fourth bull day in a row. These are pushing. They're pushing back against that short last week. That
Yeah, we're just
day.
gonna keep ripping, probably.
Yeah. Well, she tried to go lower. They all did, and they held.
Hey,
It
puppy.
was an interesting consolidation along VWAP. It tried to
Mhm.
push and it couldn't go lower.
Nice. That's just a pullback. Should continue up. Oh, there it is.
The bulls are still in charge right now, for sure. I love your level of 68.50 on ES. There's definitely the resistance and the last week there. Meme acquired. Yeah, that I think the resistance at 61.30 is going to have a little bit of response, which I think we're seeing, but the greater resistance at 50 is bigger. Multiple levels bounced off that last week before. That's a test, it looks like.
Otherwise, it's just going to be like what yesterday that we had that slow grind to the upside. We'll see though. What's up, BluSky? How's it going? Good to see you.
Yesterday, slow grind to the upside is so accurate. Like it was so slow. I was in the long and I had a runner and boy, it took a long time.
Yeah, it did. It took a sweet time to go.
Yeah. But it was consistent. I was able to snug up my stop and ride it. So those aren't bad. It's a test in patience.
Right?
Right? We all need that.
It's like BluSky cracked an egg. It's not Easter yet, bro.
This time? Yeah. I feel like it needs to be a turkey. It's the wrong bird for this week. But to each their own. There it is. There it is. I suppose when they're babies, maybe you can't tell. Maybe it is baby turkey. I don't know baby birds that well, I guess.
I prefer my peeps.
There it is.
BluSky, you got a laser. You got a freaking laser.
Preparing his turkey, his Thanksgiving meal, I think.
Oh no. I don't know what he's putting in there. All right, team, we're 15 minutes away from the London close. What a crazy morning so far. Bitcoin is repping what I'm hearing. Oh my goodness, look at that candle on Bitcoin. Cheers.
Nacho doing all right, maybe. Let's go.
All right, let's go, Nacho. I hope you don't have to return your turkey, man. That's sad. That means I'm not doing my job coaching you through the morning session well enough. The 3 NQ looks like it's kind of forming a bull flag.
Yeah, they broke out, but then they're gonna bounce on some resistance here and test for a minute, which will flag out.
Yup.
Yes, the same.
I don't know, Tiff, but Nacho was gonna sure as heck try to.
That's a good question. I don't know that they love meat and produce coming back.
She's got laser feather. What is that? A little pita? Stuffed flatbread with charts, and he's cooking. Sounds like you got your hands full there, BluSky.
It's the week for it. I got pie duty in my family's thing. We just get to show up, but I gotta bake pies tonight.
Looking at you ripping to the upside. Let's go.
Here they go.
Well, now we just need a good tweet from Trump.
A little juice.
China.
I don't know if that would be supportive of the direction we're going, though.
He does love China. It could be supportive. Maybe we need something motivational from him.
We're gonna win so much, you may even get tired of winning, and you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Is that more motivational? We need that one every day, right? We should lead the day with that.
Yes. On top of the hour, every hour or something.
Don't you put that out there in the world, Gabber? That should be the standard win. Oh my God. I hope for it every day. Sometimes I don't feel like it though, broski.
Every day we're winning. I am in Oregon, BluSky. On the West Coast. It's 8:20 in the morning over here.
Don't give too many details to BluSky because he is stalker-ish. Not saying he is a stalker, but he's stalker-ish. No, I'm just kidding.
Lock it down to the state. It's a big state. It's a big state. I feel like knowing what time zone we're in helps. Like I gotta know what time of day it is for my trading friends. It's different. It's a different vibe if it's like lunchtime or if it's still breakfast. I don't know. It's good to, right? The time zone matter. And a lot of people at BluSky are East Coast. So I like every time I message someone from BluSky, especially if it's someone semi-new to me, I'm like, I got out. Everything has a time zone reference. Okay, Tips West Coast too. I kind of like that we trade early in the morning, but then also it sounds nice to get a little more sleep sometimes. Mixed feelings. I have mixed feelings on it. Oh, look at her pushing.
Yeah, she's going for it now.
Yep.
I need chips to keep pushing too.
Oh.
Her AMD was bouncing, so. Tesla at 420 for my Green Wednesday friends. If anybody took Tesla, I like to be done in the Euro session. Yeah, definitely. That I think the majority of us are like that. Even Coach Becky, you know, we love to be done by the New York launch or the end of New York launch. You guys know price action just gets real stale, right after that time frame.
Yeah,
you definitely gotta get
annoying.
early. It's like, what is this thing doing?
not gonna lie, West Coast, when the market is closed at 1 p.m., it's like, dude, I still have half of a day to like have another hobby or activity or like, focus on the kids. And there's no New York price action movement to even worry about. Yeah, it's like your afternoon is like free time. There's not a trade to be involved in. So yeah, I like that. I do like that for sure. Yeah, other jobs, exactly. For me, I feel like they're children 1, 2, and 3 at that hour. Studio, what do you do for your other job? if you
Studio.
don't mind?
Wow. Yeah.
Sounds cool. Just sounds fancy. Aw. A creative. That's awesome.
Therapist. Oh, that's cool.
Trading is so cool. Like we all just get to like have whatever we have going on in our lives, and then that also learn trading and dig in and see what we can do in that realm. It's pretty cool in that way.
My goodness, I'm 12 cents at the money on these puts.
F off power is amazing, Tiff. Yeah, you got to keep your license.
Dang. Well, I'm not talking to BluSky because he's gonna project all of his bad trades on me.
Different point.
I'm kidding, BluSky. I'm joking with you, bud.
He was watching cat videos, and now he wasted from the cat videos.
Okay.
You didn't see the photo I put earlier with therapy and specialty. Oh. Come on, rip it in Q. Let's go.
You're pushing.
Focus.
We got some room to grow, man.
Yeah, we definitely have some room to the upside. I still got my eyes on 25, 354. I know we can hit it. It's just a matter of how much longer. We got 5 minutes left. Will this take me all the way?
Okay, what you see now? What you think?
I think we're going to keep ripping.
Yeah. All signs point to climbing, man.
That's right. All signs point to green. Oh, he hit that bear. He got mad. No, bad bear.
Not today, suckers.
Not today. Man, you know what? Becky, I am glad the Tip is out of here because you know what? He took his bearish friends with him. You know, I'm so glad he's
Uh-oh.
not here. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Take that elsewhere. Yeah, dude, tomorrow I took some shorts today too. I won my first short, I lost the second one. I had to switch teams, and that was a good choice.
That's all about being
Nothing like
dynamic.
I really thought we would take out I thought we would tap into yesterday's New York high of day. That's one of my levels that I like to trade against when we're close to a gap fill of overnight, to tap into the previous day's high before the overnight session. And we got so close on the ES and it didn't get to my target. That was frustrating. But it was too bullish.
That's away from the London close team. What are we going to do here? Will it give a little pullback, or will it just keep ripping? That's a cool thing to know there, BluSky. If that's a challenging part of it. Don't let that get to you. Don't let that discourage you. Just if you're trading a single account, you got to stay in your own lane. You got to know what you are and not capable of. And the most difficult thing about the evals is the phases you go into. Is that like me, it takes me about 2 days to pass an eval, like a 50K, and I can do that. But usually I always have my best trades are like from Sunday's Sydney Open to like Tuesday. And the rest of the week, I kind of I'll struggle through that. But if you look at the trend, we almost always have a trend day on Tuesday. Tuesday always has a trend day in the New York session. So I know that, and I can go through my trade journal and I can see the reasons why I'm having those specific trades, and they work out the way they do. Now, my main problem is that if I pass that eval by Wednesday, I'm now looking at Thursday, Friday going into trading, and I already know that I don't do as well there. So those are the days that I'm more risk off. I take it easy, stuff like that, So where I can get back into that Sunday cycle, that I know that that's my strong day, so I start to attack that day. So I would definitely make sure you're taking trade notes. Notate why you took the trade, what led you to take the trade, the time of day, your lot size, and 3 things you can do to improve on it. And that will allow you to start analyzing from looking out how your performance is and what days you're doing well, what time of day, because that is super important. You have to know the day, the time, because you know what, those will always play a factor. Those are very, very important parts to your trading, is that where that strength lies. Like if Tuesday for like the last year you've been killing it, you already know you need to be trading on Tuesday. The rest of the days of the week are not important, and you just need one good trade day. You don't need to be here every day. You don't need to be sitting here, for 7 hours out of the day, 6 days out of the week looking at the futures charts. At the beginning you do, because you need to get a familiar feel for it. You need to have an understanding of your platform you're trading on. You need to get a hold of a lot of other moving parts from trading. The risk management, entering and exiting the trade, and the psychology of it. And the psychology being the most difficult one, because you have to get over being stubborn. Being stubborn, being a trader is not a good match. You need to be dynamic. You need to understand if the trade goes against you, you get out of it. You respect your stop. You don't move the stop unless you're trailing the stop in the profit. So, you start facing those type of obstacles as you're trading. And that's why that trade journal is so important. Because you know what? Only one person can quantify what you're doing, and that's you. None of us can. None of us can sit here and nitpick your trades and say, hey, Tiff, you're not doing good here. Your strong point is here. Only you can. And over the course of 6 months, a year that you have that trade journal, it will allow you to look at your trades historically, and you can make notes. Hey, this time of day, get tabs, that you can put on that trade journal that you can say, hey, you know what, this was a great day. So that, in 6 months in, you have tabs within your trade journal that now you can say, hey, look, I've got all these tabs. What do they have in common? What do those trades have in common that you can now then say, hey, what is your pattern? What is your rhythm to the market? Because that's what we're all trying to do, is find our rhythm and our groove in the market. That's why I always say, you do not want to take another trader's trade. You do not want to follow traders' trades, because you learn nothing from it, and you have no idea where to get out or where to get in or anything else. Or by the time you take it, it will be too late. The trade will be very different for you, and you'll lose.
That was so good, Riz. That was on point. Like digging into what you are doing and what your outcomes are, and then where your stress points are and what you can do about that. Like that is how you change your game, your experience, your trading trajectory, is by knowing what you struggle with and then working on that and pushing into your strengths. So good.
Absolutely.
It's
Thank
like you're
you.
a coach or something.
Only on Wednesdays. And I did stay at a Holiday Inn Express.
Hey.
Hey. BluSky therapy. Each and every day.
Perfect. Right? Just show up to the live.
There you go. Sign up today, BluSky. Looking like we got a nice little flag forming. Can we break out of this flag now? Get that next leg up. 5 minutes past the London close. Thanks to our friends across the pond. You guys have a great day.
I like your journal style, Nacho. Screenshotting and then writing down what you did and what you experienced. Oh, 2 wins away.
I
Give
feel
her time.
you, Tiff.
She's still moving. Yeah.
I feel you. All day, every day, we all sit through the same thing. We all do that. That's the difficult part about trading. Is you get that anxiety, and you're like, hurry up. I want to go do this. I want to go get my coffee. I want to go use the bathroom. I gotta go get a haircut. But you just can't rush it. Someone in chat, Bay Fisherman, I think it was. I'm almost sure it was Bay Fisherman. Bay Fisherman likes to set his trade, and then he goes and does stuff. I think he went to the airport yesterday. He set his trade. He took off to the airport. He came back, and I think his take profit got him. He was like, yeah, if I would have stayed here, I would have choked it up, and I wouldn't have been able to capitalize on it. And sometimes that's what you need to do. You got it. 6K. Fantastic. Hey, I'm green for the day. I am green. I'm 5% green for the day. I don't know how we did it, but we did it. Yeah, my calls are not 99% up. They're almost up 100%.
Nice.
Slow grind to the upside.
Tradezilla too, and it was too much for me, and I felt like I wasn't using it enough to their capabilities. Like it had so many options, but I just wasn't fully capitalizing on it. And I think I was too rooted in my own system for journaling to need all the extra. But maybe one day I'll try them again. It's an awesome program.
Yeah, I've actually got a friend of mine that's building out this whole trade journal. It's actually really cool. You can put in your strategy, your time, and it's supposed to analyze everything for you. I would like something that could plug in, like, give it my login credentials so that it could see my trades and just log them for me. That's what I would prefer.
Mama, I take this off of there.
Tradezilla was cool like that. You uploaded your information and then it would give you stats like that. It is nice to have that automation, and it certainly, I mean, technology is there for that, right? Like,
yeah, my buddy's been working on it with AI, so he's been working on it for a little over a month now and stuff. He's using it personally.
It's my food.
nice. That's awesome.
Yeah, Tip, what you can also do is just create your own Discord and, make it kind of like your notes and where you put all that stuff. Me, I've got just a regular college binder, just a regular college binder that I have, and, it's been rolled up too many times to hit the table, but I like that. I like having something I can put my hands on. And then you know what? A lot of times I don't want to sit at the computer. I don't want to sit at the computer and review my trade notes. I like to, sometimes, indulge in a cigar, have a cigar, just kind of, where I can have time in my thoughts to kind of sit there, look at my journal, write in my notes, and then I can kind of reflect on the week. Why did I do this? What did I see going into the week? And that also helps me with my basis on, when I'm doing my week out analysis of what I kind of am anticipating for the week. But, like I said, that's just
lovely.
Me. I just don't want to sit at the chart. I've paid the price. I've already done that, my first 2 years in, just sitting here for 16, 17 hours a day. I've fallen asleep at my desk too many times looking at the chart in the middle of the night and woken up to the chart and then just gone and got a cup of coffee and came back and sat down. I've already paid that cost of education. Now it's time for me to, grow up. I've already paid my community college dues. Now I'm in my, now I'm out of it. So I want to be able to have my freedom to where like I can just be sitting there and just, be writing my journal, and it's a much more enjoyable experience.
That's nice.
RQ, you don't have to sit anywhere in front of the casino. You can take the casino with you. I'm going to have to get you on with my casino, RQ. Why not both? You know what, to be honest with you, I mean, to be honest with you, what I used to do, like before I was streaming with you guys, when I was trading, I was actually playing the casino. I would be playing either slots or I'd be doing like Keno. That's actually what I used to do. And then I'll switch currency to the Argentine peso, so that when I spin slots, I can spin them at sub-cents, so like fraction of a penny. So like a quarter of a penny, I could spin slots and play games in. Just to kind of keep me busy. And, a lot of times I need something that kind of keeps me busy and psychologically, I think I'm gonna make some money in the casino. You know what I'm saying? So it feels like I'm doing something that has a chance, and I'm not spinning my wheels, just trading, because that's not how it works.
Right.
That's a great idea too. Nacho, send it, bro. Send it. NQ
Dude,
is
we're almost
approaching.
there.
Yeah. ES is actually approaching my breakout spot at 68.46. So, yeah. And I'm up 36% for the day. Let's go. Let's go.
Woo. Nice. Whatever makes you get the trade, Nacho. Upside down is fine. Anon, I absolutely love The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard. I've read that book like probably 3 times. It's so good. If no one has, like, you gotta get it. Oh, nice. That's cool when traders from the online world can meet. Anon, I have a very good trading friend who she takes her notes in Google Slides, where she'll put a slide and then she'll put a screenshot in there of her chart because it's such a good like photo sharing opportunity, and then she'll write her notes in just text box all around them of what she did. She'll have her fills on it of the day, and for her it's like creative and also an outlet and it's like more enjoyable for her to like write on it and color it, code it in different ways. Like, it's a pretty cool system too for a journaling opportunity.
Yeah, I'm hearing some chatter that RQ might stream Thanksgiving. He's gonna do a Thanksgiving stream. Is that true, RQ? Should we get a banner up for you?
What?
He's shorting the dinner table live with RQ. Long turkey, short stuffing. No. Not here, broski. No. You long turkey, you long stuffing, and you short cranberry. Boom. That's
don't short cranberry. Cranberry's got to go with the turkey.
It's processed. It's not even real. That stuff is fake. Who wants processed cranberry? You get that in the can. That stuff ain't real.
No, my mom makes homemade cranberry sauce. I'm spoiled.
Well, I mean, you're talking about your mom. Of course your mom does. Of course your mom does,
Yeah, you're eating the wrong cranberry, Riz. You need some, I need to hook you up. Bring someone out.
I remember, I remember when my parents would come over for Thanksgiving, my dad loved cranberry and ham. So I'd get cranberry and ham for him and stuff, and it was like, it was just my pops who was like keen on that. It's the funniest thing. He'd be like, "You want some of this?" I'm like, "Nah, that's all right." Cranberry's not my thing. I don't like it. I don't even like a cranberry drink.
Not even with the vodka, he says.
No, I'd rather do a vodka Red Bull. I mean, when I used to drink, it'd be a vodka Red Bull. That's your go-to.
Okay. I get that one.
I love a margarita, Gabber. I love a margarita. And when I take off next month, I guarantee you this. The minute I get to the airport to leave here, the first thing I'm going to get is a margarita. I can guarantee you. Before I even get on the plane, I will already be drinking a margarita. Whenever I fly, I always start drinking like right before I start to fly. I have a couple of drinks, and then you just pass out on the plane, and then you wake up, you're where you need to be, and you go. For me, it works out like that, because I'm just like, oh man, I just don't want to deal with anybody.
Close your eyes. Keep it quiet.
BluSky's doing cranberry shots, doing cranberry chasers. And we tagged that 68.46. Now we just got to make that next leg up. A little bit of a pullback here on NQ on the 1. Looks like we're coming down to the 26, a little relief bounce. You know, we'll pull back before that next leg up. Got 13 minutes till New York lunch, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are enjoying the morning show with Coach Riz and Coach Becky. We might be, Tiff. We might be. I just want to relax, and you know what? Yeah, I see when I fly, I just want to relax and I don't want to hear anything. Like before, I used to take my VR headset when I was traveling for business. So that's what I would do. Thank you, Eddie. I would just be using my VR headset and boom, pop that thing on and just tune it all out. Oh wow, fancy.
Sounds amazing.
Got a little breakfast here.
Aw.
My wifey made some breakfast, a little scrambled with some country sausage and a biscuit. Perfect. Champagne and oh, you know what? I love champagne. But the only thing I don't like about it is it's too gassy. All the carbonation, you get so full so fast. Like I love boo, you know, some Moet. I could drink it for days, but you just get all like bloated and you're like, I don't like that feeling. All right, we're testing that 26 now. Can we hold it? Hopefully we get continuation for New York lunch. That's what I would like to see.
No, I feel like we're so close. We got to get there. Keep going.
I mean, we got over that 4-hour support resistance at 25,354 on NQ. So, but now we just pushed under it. I don't have any levels above though. You know what? Why don't I have any levels above? Let's set up some 4-hour levels on the higher time frames because we need to. Oh, scratching me.
Yeah, she's definitely going that direction.
I'm beating the enemies in there, but not the like traps, like the laser.
That. And right there. And there.
Yeah, and people are going to be taking profit ahead of it.
All right, there we go.
Yeah, November 12th, 13 level. Yeah, we finally got back up there. That was such a hard fall last week, and we've been climbing back up.
Yeah. Since last week on Friday, it's just been a daily grind up.
Mm-hmm. I'm so curious what will happen on this coming Friday, you know, with this push up. See what she'll do.
Yeah. I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab myself a cup of rocket fuel.
Yeah. Gold had a nice push up this morning too. Kind of right at market open. Yeah. She just broke higher as well. Some bulls today. Little Thanksgiving gift. Yeah, nice to chat with you, Tiff. Nice to get to know people more. So have a great day, doing other things, and happy Thanksgiving. "30-second charts. You guys are intense. 30-second and 15-second charts are legit. EMDR. Dude, you are quick. Tomorrow, flipping teams, getting right back in on the bounce. That's right. I'm still holding a little long on ES myself. I really want to get to 68.49. I like to get out a point or two below where I think it's gonna hit. Because then I get filled, but those little pullbacks are just little pullbacks. She's still pushing. Enjoy your afternoon, Tiff. Came back strong tomorrow. But posting some green. I like it. But wait, did you do any box breathing? Tell me. Box breathing today? Yes. I love that. It helps, right? It helps. It's a real thing. It actually physiologically slows you down. You can focus. I know, right? Science. Science is cool. Bulls are still holding. I mean, there are other people here, BluSky. I feel like we gotta hold it down in Riz's absence. Oh man. What, Big Owl? LSAT, heck yes. What a big accomplishment, Big Owl. That's amazing. Strong work, boss. MJ. Okay. I knew you used to be MJ. Okay, I'll remember from your image. That's amazing. I love when my kids do cool stuff. I'm like, yes, that came from me. I made that little awesome human, and they're a boss. Yes. You have to, like, and then you're teaching them hard work. I love that trading helps us teach our kids like what it looks like to like keep showing up, like trading amongst everything else I've done in my whole life has taught me so much resilience of like get back in the game, like too much, keep working, like you can take a hit and still be succeeding, like, and that energy crosses over into so many things that we can do in life and not just on the charts. That's good energy. And RQ, don't pass out. You got to do the exhale. You got to hold it and then exhale. I'm telling you. Don't forget the second part of that.
Well, that's good. That's good that he thinks
It actually like really crossed the threshold and you're getting some things dialed in. We have a pilled back for a second there on ES, but she's still pushing.
Yes, she is.
They haven't reached the target yet. Tomorrow the market is closed until the reopens in the afternoon for like a normal day. For me, it's 3 p.m. Pacific time, so it's 6 p.m. Eastern time is the reopen tomorrow. Ooh. Does anyone know? Strong work tomorrow. Boss moves. It's the thing. If you could stay patient and focused, you can keep trading and like handle a day. There it is. Keep it chill, keep it focused, trade your plan, make some money.
That's right.
Actually, she's flagging out a little bit more here.
Yeah, we're also a minute away from New York lunch. So what institutional buyers are here? Probably heading out for the day at this point. I would. Heck, if I was on the trading floor, I wouldn't even work today.
Hey, younger.
Hey, BluSky, I got a question for you. So when you were working there at Vanguard, did the traders on the floor go in on Wednesday or the day before Thanksgiving? Or would they normally call it a day? Let the new guys possibly crack at it. You know, because those guys have leave and time off and stuff. What's up, Eric? How's it going out there on YouTube? Good to see you all. Hope you're having a good morning. Hope you're enjoying the morning show. And don't forget, team, Launch Plans Black Friday deal 50% off. That's right. 50% off. Are you out of your mind? That's right. Get those new accounts, pass those evals, and get Mike's money. There you go.
That's right. Let's go. Might be some good opportunities on Fridays, guys. Sometimes the Friday after Thanksgiving has some good volatility. Everyone's got pent up energy and wants to make it big. Pay for their partner's shopping habits.
Nacho. Let me get that
profile
receipt.
Nacho. I love volume profile.
I don't really mess with volume profile on TradingView.
You
don't need to, bro.
Using your listeners. Yes. That's a neutral day, which is just fine.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, and Nacho, if you want that reset code, shoot a DM over to RQ. Make sure you send him a feed pic. I'm sure he can hook you up with something. No. Hey, at least I didn't put your Discord name on chat. You know, I've got the chats open. You know, I can go drop it in there.
No.
Oh, that's gross.
What
that is
happening?
disgusting,
No.
man.
You're gonna get banned for that.
Oh, man.
Nacho, if you ever want to track volume profile, DM me. It's my jam. Amaro is a boss. Taking that red to green, staying chill, shutting it down, walking away, balancing his life. wrong. No, look away. Look away.
Oh, stop it. What are you doing? Well, don't forget, if you guys want, in the after hour session, you can catch RQ with this toast session live with Nacho.
OnlyFans
Don't get-
situation right there.
Don't get jammed in the after hours.
Oh no. Oh.
Bring the chips. Exactly.
Well, on that beautiful foot picture note, I actually am out of time today, but I'm back in just a couple hours. I'm going to be hanging for the end of the day today. So my day's kind of broken up.
Awesome. Well, sounds good then. Well, you have a good
Thanks for
afternoon, and
hanging.
we'll see you. Yeah, definitely. See you in the afternoon session, Coach Becky. Have a great day.
Sounds good. You too. Bye, guys. See you soon.
Bye-bye. All right, team. And I think that concludes the morning show with Coach Reyes. And thanks to Coach Becky, for popping in as well. Don't forget, you got Coach Matt coming in the afternoon session, and Coach Becky. So don't forget the Power Hour session. If you like my content and my morning show, don't forget to catch me every day in the pre-market. I will be here Friday, team. I will be here Friday. They gave us the day off, and they said we don't have to come in on Friday, but I'm going to come in Friday morning for you guys. You know what? I want to be here for that morning session to vibe with you guys. So we'll be locked, loaded with more rocket fuel, more price analysis, and great trades. So catch me in the morning session. Don't forget those morning levels that I drop in for NQ Gold. And yes. And also, we will not have Coach Matt's trading class tomorrow due to the holiday. So that class is postponed. But all right, team, you all have a great day. Good luck in the market. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see y'all Friday. Have a good Thanksgiving, team. Have a great Thanksgiving. Good luck. Much love.